Body, Mind, Spirit event in Addington Raceway in Christchurch. What's your name?
Charmain.
Charmain. Tell us what's happened to your arm, Charmain.
Well, I've managed to tear some stuff inside, but I've had an operation, and it doesn't seem like the operation's worked. I've got plates in here, I've got some screws in here, but
Right, so plates in here, screws in here.
and I mean, I have use in it, but I can't use it for extended periods of times, like
Right.
even cutting a potato or a carrot
Okay, it's hard
kind
work.
of hurts.
All right,
Yeah.
okay. What movement have you got in the shoulder? Is that all good?
I mean, depending on the pain factors, sometimes I can't lift my hand
All right,
right
okay.
up.
Yeah.
So,
Right, okay,
Yeah.
let's see what we can do. All right, so the spirit surgeons that work through me have worked through me now for 25 years. How my story started, somebody asked me just today on the stall, how did you know you got a healing gift? It was really easy. A man with vivid blue eyes and white hair met me on the London Underground and said, you're here as a healer and a teacher. So it wasn't an idea in my head, it wasn't a meditation class. One of my guides literally came to meet me, other people saw him. You're here as a healer and a teacher. Don't forget the ones that can't see. The ones that can't see, meaning spirit, can't see spirit, can still feel the vibrations. You might not be able to see what happens, but very often sat in the room, people in the audience can feel the healing energy that comes through. Now, Charmaine, what can you feel happening at the moment?
I can feel energy running down from my shoulders, down
Yeah.
through my elbow,
Yeah.
a little bit of my nerves which seem to be tender.
Yes, so what he's doing here, he's got the scissors out around the elbow. There's something not right around the elbow. That needs sorting. And you'll see what he's doing now with my arm. So all the gestures you see me do with my body, that's down to him. Clapping's a dispersal of energy. So this is the thing, guys. You have a physical body, but you're not your body. Yeah, when you look out into this world, you can see the pump bottle, you can see the windows. You know you're not them, you can see them. You can see this body, you know you're not the body, you're a consciousness. You can't see the real you because the real you is invisible, yeah? You can look at yourself in the mirror, but the real you is invisible. You can't see who you are. So the surgeons leave me free to talk to you about what's happening and to demystify it as much as I possibly can. Now, any problems with your teeth? He brought my awareness up into
Oh yeah.
What's been going on with your teeth?
Oh, well, I mean, just basically my gums are not that fine, but my front tooth's chipped,
Yeah.
and they put a crown, and it's giving me problems, and
Yes.
it's coming out. So.
Yes. So it needs attention. It needs
Yeah.
attention. All right. Now just try moving that arm again and see how that's feeling.
That feels a little bit more elastic
Yeah.
and lighter,
Yes.
more fluid.
Cool.
Yeah.
Now we've got to check something like strength, haven't we? So let's just try. Let's get you to hold that and see how that's feeling.
That feels pretty good, just a little bit more.
Just a little bit more in the elbow.
In the
Yes.
elbow.
Cool. Right. Rest it down. All right. Now you are the experts, guys, on your bodies. You are the experts on how you feel. Yeah, you've just got to listen to your bodies more. Listen to your bodies more. Notice when the mind's chattering. The mind's chattering. That means the body is under stress in some way. Either it needs food, or it needs relax, or it needs fresh air. You've got to listen to your bodies and you'll quieten your minds. So the beings that work with me are invisible. Well, that's not weird, is it? Because you and me are invisible. The real us is invisible. The flesh form isn't. We can see the flesh form, but the real us is invisible. So these are spirit world beings, like you and I are spirit world beings. Right, now give that a go.
Really lighter.
Yeah.
Not so much of a strain.
Yeah, no strain in there. Cool.
Yeah.
And then just try that again. Feels
Much
good.
better.
Excellent. Thank you, Charmaine. Cool.
Thank you
Give
so
her a round
much.
of applause. You're welcome.